Morning. Out here again just to working. Got a little tool tip for you today. We all know that these lights with the little clampy deals on the handles that hang down, have a little metal cone. We all know that these suck. They're cheap and you put a bulb in them and you put it there, and if anything at all taps the that cone, or if you drop it, or if something bumps into it, you're using a wrench and you knock it, the light goes out. And it's because the inside of a regular old bulb has those little skinny filaments in it, and those filaments are red hot, and they're not made to be put into a work light. They're made to put into just a regular old light where they're not going to move at all. All they do is turn on and turn off. That's their only function. Well, when you put them in one of these where it's moving around, that little red hot filament in there that's real skinny, any little tiny vibration and it snaps, and the bulb goes out, and then you got to go find another bulb. Plus they're breakable, you know, they're glass, they shatter if you hit them on something, or if you drop them, or if you throw them in the trash can, then put something else in there. One thing that I found the other day is at Lowe's, I got these, it was a 6-pack for like $7. And these are LED bulbs. And they are awesome for these work lights because they're made of plastic. So they're not going to shatter if you drop them. Instead of having a skinny little filament deal in there, it's just a little LED light. So, you know, this one here's 750 lumens. So it uses less energy. It's not as breakable, and you can smack these things all around and they won't go out. I tried it the other day. I came out here because I had one of those old regular bulbs that I hit, just kind of tapped the cone and it went out. And I was looking for a light bulb, and I had replaced most of the lights in my house with these LED bulbs because, well, shoot, they just take up a lot less energy. So I went ahead, they were cheap, and I put them in, and I had a few extras in a closet, and I went, wait a minute. Ding! Light bulb went on. I went, that'd work great for a work light. So I came out here to the shop. I took my light. I took out that old broken bulb. Screwed one of these in. Shoot, I can even do it now. If I can get it plugged in. Come on now, get in there. Now we're working, almost. Dadgummit. Get in there, there. So, it's on now. Instantly, it's nice and bright, but still works. You can never do that with a regular old, what do they call those, incandescent bulbs. So since I figured that out, maybe you'll get some use from it too. So there's a little tool tip. I'm gonna get on back to work. Y'all be good.